Imagine you could access all your favorite channels at a fraction of typical costs. But is it too good to be true? In today's video, let's unravel the mystery of IPTV subscription costs together, showcasing how efficient solutions exist out there. It might come as a surprise, but IPTV subscriptions can be incredibly affordable, offering impressive variety and access. Generously packed with a vast variety of options, IPTV can serve even the most demanding viewers without constraints. You're getting channels from all over the world. Think of IPTV as your personal global TV guide. Before diving into the cost specifics, it's vital to understand what makes IPTV so appealing and unique. It's about access, ease, and the ability to watch what you want whenever you desire without interruptions. Now, let's discuss the crucial part: how much you should actually expect to pay for this exclusive service. Prices can start surprisingly low, often much less than you would pay for traditional cable bundles. Mid-tier options come with additional features like HD streaming and more channels, but without breaking the bank. Top-tier subscriptions might stretch your budget slightly, but they offer exclusive channels and rare programming. Despite varying costs, the flexibility in subscription makes IPTV suitable for nearly any viewing habit. The big selling point is that you control your subscription, adjusting it to your needs and preferences. The beauty of such customization is that no two IPTV subscriptions need to be alike. Tailor it your way. To find a reliable provider, head over to 2tv.store. They offer the best IPTV solutions around. Ready to explore? With affordable prices and unmatched choice, IPTV could be your key to entertainment freedom.